Hello, in front of me I've got KEYCHRON K8. In this video I'll show you how to disconnect it from the PC. If you want to disconnect your keyboard from PC, firstly, if you connected the keyboard via Bluetooth, let's go to Settings and Bluetooth Settings. Now select your keyboard and remove it from the list. Next, simply turn off the keyboard by switching this button to middle position. If you connected it via cable, simply unplug the wire. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.